Hello, I'm Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, Jacqueline, and today we're going to go over how to create an online course using Knowledge Anywhere's LMS. I'm starting off on the administrator side in the course section. So you can do this by two ways, one of which is this handy dandy pop out on the left hand side where you can see content. Now, from here, you can either go to Add Course eLearning, or you could go up to create content and add an e-learning course. They'll both get you to the same page. So from here, we're going to create a title. I'll say fake title number 1, and that will generate a friendly URL as well as the title down here. I'll put a quick description here. And you can also include any tags that you want. So here are a few examples. For example, anti-harassment, communication, customer feedback. Let's say this is a customer service course. I'm going to put how many minutes the course is. Let's say it's 9. And totally optional if you would like to add credits. So let's say I want this to be 5 credits. And I'm just going to save that course. So now we're over here. You can see that this is successful. And this is where you can see everything about the course. So, for example, I can add certificates in this right-hand side. I can enable comments or ratings, as well as LinkedIn share and digital signatures. If you have e-commerce on your site, you can add the price of a course, for example. Let's say it's $10, and they get that for 12 months. Don't forget to save on the bottom. And what's also really important are these sections here. So for example, if I wanted to change or edit any of the things that I put previously, that's what I would do in information. In SCORM, this is how you would actually upload the SCORM package to create the course. To upload a SCORM package, all you have to do is create a file label, put the language, mine is in English, and we'll choose a file. So there's a SCORM file, and I'll upload it there. So you can see it here in a pending, and now it's active. And if we'd like to see this, we can launch or review it here. And this is my video that I uploaded using SCORM. So we're going to go back to our site. And from here, you can see you can download it, you can delete it, or you can link to a learner page. So this is a very basic overview of how to create an online or an e-learning course. If you'd like to change anything about it, you can at any time. Say, for example, you don't love this default image. You can always choose a file, crop it, and save it, and that is what the learner will see on their homepage. For example, if we know that this course is about getting approval from a boss and I wanted a more relevant picture, what I could do is click here, choose file. I could find a downloaded picture, for example, this picture. And I want it right there. I'll crop and save. And now this is what the learner will see when they're on their side of the LMS. Once we have whatever specifications we'd like, we can link this to a learning page assigned to a learning path. So for example, let's say that we want to link this to a learning page. This is what the learner will see when they click on this course detail. So for example, obviously yours would not be labeled fake title number 1, but you can see here the e-commerce section of it, and any description that I would have put here, you can see it here. Let's try to assign it to a learning path, for example. Choose content to assign. So because we decided that this was a customer service course, I'll hit customer service. And now this title for this course is now assigned to the learning path of customer service. So this is a quick run through of how to add a new course into our LMS. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, reach out to us through our support desk at Zendesk, your program administrator, or our support at knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you and have a nice day.